do you guys think of my new shift knob?
Wilson! I'm sorry! Wilson!
Hold on, everybody.
Wilson!
Look at all the pollen build up on the wheels, man. This thing has just been begging to be saved. Begging.
Love the chase and the hunt. I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Matt again here with another Boss 302 vlog. It's been a minute since I've been in this car, literally at least a month. And I'm glad to be back in it. Something just different about this car, man. It makes you smile, makes you feel good. Wonder if he wants to play. Windows down for this one. You guys. Got a Parnelli, as always. What do you guys think of my new shift knob?
Wilson! I'm sorry! Wilson!
Yeah. If you haven't seen that short, go check that out. I thought it was pretty funny. And it was totally worth it. I'll tell you what though, this is from Nifty Shifters. They do a pretty good job. This thing is heavier than the Boss 302 ball I had on here before. And I was gonna have this on here for when Mrs. Brailsford took her stick shift lesson. But I'm probably gonna remove it because the Boss 302 one has the numbers and kind of it'll help aid her figure it out. So I think I'm gonna put that one back on just to help her out a little bit. But let's get going. Ooh. Hold on, everybody.
Wilson! Wilson! I'm sorry!
Oopsie. That's gonna be an everlasting joke in this car now if that knob is on the car. I missed a shift. I never miss a shift. Which means I haven't driven this thing in way too long. Embarrassing. Sometimes the traction control, it feels like it just doesn't know if it should be helpful or not. You get a little bit of a bump. This Mustang has been hard parked for a minute. Look at those brake rotors, man. I see it here every day. It'd be a cool track car to restore and get running. I'd tackle that. Yeah, look at all the pollen build up on the wheels, man. This thing has just been begging to be saved. Begging. Yeah, look at that poor neglected GT, man. The trunk panel line doesn't even line up. There's a big dent in it. Looks like someone tried to pry it open back there with a crowbar. The deflector is missing. The pads or the rotor's all corroded over. And yeah, the water's risen up. It's been sitting in a puddle. You can see all the pollen from the spring sitting on the tires. This thing's been here a minute. Yeah, look at this thing, man. Rotor's super jacked up. Bumper's jacked up. Rear quarter panel light, bird crap everywhere. Dents on the roof like someone stood on it. It's actually unlocked. And it looks like it's completely trashed. Junk in here, man. This thing's been abused. It needs to be saved. Here we got a super nice Mach 1, man. I love the black on black. Yeah, it's real tragic to see a Mustang kind of sitting there withering away when it's something that could be saved and turned into something else and given a new purpose, right? And you know, those still 3-valve motors are they're not highly desirable, but a car like that would be despite all the dents and stuff in it, that'd be an awesome track car to just go out there, take out there on the weekends and just rip. I'd love to build a 3-valve into a track car. I know a couple people have done it, and it's just, you know, it'd be awesome because then you don't really feel any guilt about crashing it. Whereas if I crashed this Boss, I'd be pretty devastated. I wish there was a way I could save it. Jump around this video. Got some Panera for the family, Panera dinner. Gotta love the chop. So we got a couple big things coming up for the channel next weekend. I'm expecting MJI, one of my subscribers, to come down here, and we're going to get the long tube headers installed on the Fox body. So I got to finish the prep work on that. You can expect that video coming up soon for the header restoration. I'm going to do that. We got Mrs. Brailsford learning stick shift in the Boss 302. Hopefully that's going to happen here maybe this weekend. I got to install the old shift ball back so she has the numbers and she can kind of see where everything goes. I don't want any guesswork. Don't want to make it any harder than we have to. But that's coming up. I know she's stoked about it. I know you guys have been looking forward to it. Get asked about it every time I live stream. So that's coming up. Can't wait. All right, well, that's going to do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed that video, please click that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Other thing we have coming up, forgot to talk about, is we're going to do the top installation. I got to start looking up how to do that first, and we'll get that thrown on the Fox body as well. This car should be sounding good and looking good for Foxtoberfest. I'm pretty excited. If you're going to be there, let me know down below. Look forward to meeting you guys. Take care.